Welcome to my channel, my friends. Today, we dive into the world of pocket watch Verge Fusee Wallerius Norrköping, a name that echoes from the heart of Sweden's watchmaking past. This antique pocket watch isn't just a tool to measure time, it's a window into an era of precision, elegance, and handmade excellence. From the beautifully engraved movement to the unique details that make this piece stand out, we'll explore every element that tells the story of this forgotten masterpiece. Join me as we uncover this beautiful pocket watch Verge Fusee,